So today I created this fun spring makeup look. You guys, I did use the Colourpop new palette with MakeupShayla. Right here, y'all. Right here. This palette, this palette, you guys, is amazing. Like, it just gives you all the shades that you would need to create a beautiful look. And I went with this copper eye because you guys know once I sit down on this seat, I really do not know what I'm gonna do. I just wing every look I do. Sometimes they turn out good, sometimes they turn out bad. I don't know, it just depends, you guys. But I also got her whole entire collection, including the lipsticks. I just love this. I love this look. This is so me. Like, for spring look, this is a look that I would honestly wear if I'm going out. Not an ideal everyday look, obviously, but this is more like if I'm going somewhere and I really want to get super glammed up, this is such a look for it. The highlighters are amazing. I used both highlighters on my face. Oh my god, like, this makeup is so well. I really love the outcome of this look, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Do not forget to give this video a big thumbs up per usual. I love you guys so much. Now I'm Panasana, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Hello, you guys. So we're gonna start off by moisturizing my skin, and I'm going in with my Neutrogena Hydro Boost Water Gel. This is the extra dry skin. They have two types, just the normal and then the extra dry skin. You guys know my skin is dry, so I go with the extra dry skin. So now I'm gonna go ahead and prime my face, and I'm going in with my, I think it's called girl, I'm not even gonna do it. I'm not gonna do it. But I'm gonna use this as a primer. This product is viral everywhere on Instagram, you guys. So I decided, let me try it out for the first time, and I love it. It is so good, you guys. Oh, I just felt like my skin just gave a little bit of glow underneath. But now I'm gonna go in with my foundation. This is the Fenty Beauty foundation in the shade 430, but I feel like I'm in the shade 420, but hey, I decided to just keep it and probably order the 420 shade and see if that actually is a lot more of a match for my skin. So now I'm gonna go ahead and conceal. So I bought some new Colourpop concealer when I ordered my MakeupShayla palette, and I decided to give these concealers a shot. First time using them, you guys, and they're really good. For it to be affordable, wow, I'm really shocked. Now, I showed you guys earlier, like, a little bit of the video that I was trying to pick between 3 shades, and the 3 shades were 40, 42, and 46, and I end up going with the lightest shade, and that's the 40. I just love my concealers being a lot brighter because once I contour and set everything, I just love the bronzy look that I usually go for. So now I'm going to go in with my KKW concealer in the shade 16. I love this concealer so far when it comes to contour. I don't know, I just like the look that I'm getting out of it. Like I always tell you guys, makeup is supposed to be fun. You just create different looks with it. You don't always have to follow a rule. There's no rule in makeup. All I know is blend. Blending is the rule, okay? Blend until your arm falls off. But I do like this concealer. It just gives me that finishing look. I don't know. Do you guys see it though? I just love how it just looks so bronzy and still like good. I don't know how to explain stuff, you guys, ignore me. So now I'm going to grab my Sacha Buttercup setting powder. I'm going to set under my eyes, my chin, my forehead, you guys, as usual, where I always set, where I pretty much highlighted. So yeah, after that, I'm pretty much, okay, I'm going too fast. Okay, right here, you guys, I laughed about it because I like set my nose and I'm like, okay, I don't even contour my nose, so it was kind of funny. I don't know what it is. So I'm going to grab my Sleek Contour Kit. I'm just going to go ahead and set where I contoured with, So now we're going to grab the eyeshadow palette, and I'm going in with this shade. It is called Culture, and I'm just going to work this as a transition shade. Now this shade on the palette looks like it wouldn't appear on my skin, but it actually did. You guys can see it actually appeared on my skin, and I wanted to put this on my eyelid first before I put the next shade, and the next shade is called Revenge. I'm just going to work this on top of that Culture shade and into my crease. I was going to go for that orange shade next to Revenge, but I feel like this was actually the perfect shade that I was going for, you guys. Oh my gosh, so this palette is super pigmented. First time using anything from Colourpop, and I'm glad I used. This was like my first product, my first eyeshadow palette that I bought from them, because honey, it is amazing. So now I'm gonna grab that this shade over here. I don't know what it's called, you guys, because I don't have the palette on me. I'm just guessing as I go, and I don't remember it, but I'm just gonna call it the copper eyeshadow. How about that? I'm just gonna work this all over my eyelid. So I wasn't going for this look. Every time I say this on every makeup tutorial, I don't go for any look I do. I just do it. So I'm just gonna put this all over my eyelid. And y'all see how nice it glides on. At first, I did not use a setting spray or any Fix Plus spray because I wanted to like just put it like that, but I really didn't get the pigmentation that I wanted, so I ended up spraying my brush with Fix Plus. Then I was able to see the color, the eyeshadow a lot more better, and it's so beautiful. You guys, please ignore how bad my lace looks. I just had to point it out, okay? Like, girl, it was just a terrible, bad hair day, okay? Let me live, okay? Okay, so now I'm going to grab that dark brown eyeshadow. It's called Played Out, and I'm just going to work this on my outer V. Okay, originally I was not going to do this. I was just going to leave it like that, but then I don't know. I seen that dark brown. I was like, okay, girl, you know, let's just try to smoke it out a little bit, you know. But all I did is literally blended. You guys are not gonna see because I cropped a whole lot of cropping in this tutorial. Took me a minute, but I blended and I kept adding and blending. That is exactly what people should do when they do their makeup. Just keep blending and adding so that you can get satisfied with the look that you're going for. And I also popped some lashes, cocoa lashes and more, and gave myself a winged liner off of camera, of course. So yeah, I gave the look. It just went, my look went from 0 to 100 real quick with lashes and a winged liner. So now we're just gonna smoke my water lash line with that eyeshadow called Revenge, and also go in with Played Out on my water lash line, you guys, because I wanted that look to pop with those two eyeshadows. Oh, y'all, I'm really loving this palette, and I'm actually gonna probably do another makeup tutorial with this palette because the pigmentation is just insane. So now I'm just gonna grab the highlights that she came out with, and mix both of them together, and one of them is called Bluing and the other one is called Pose, and I cannot choose which one I wanted to do, so I was like, you know what, let me just do both and see if I like how it turned out. And y'all, the highlight is amazing. So much pigmentation, don't make no sense. You guys know I love highlighting my forehead nowadays. I don't know what it is, but I love the after effect that it gives my look. It just looks very like, I don't know, fresh, and you know, I'm glowing and stuff. So now I'm gonna go in with my lip pencil, and you guys know this is my MAC lip pencil in Chestnut, and underline my lips with it before I pop my lipstick on my lips. Guys, so I could not decide what lipstick I wanted to do, so I went in with Quickie, and ooh, I just felt like those two combined gave me exactly literally the lip color that I was actually going for. Like, it's just so beautiful. I love this makeup look, you guys. I just do. So beautiful. So yeah, after that, I end up setting my face with my MAC setting spray, and that is it for this look, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I would so 100% recommend you guys to get this palette. I mean, come on now, it's affordable, and why not? The pigmentation is just unreal. Come on, girl. Hey guys, so this is it for this look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Before you leave, make sure you give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe if you're new to this channel, you guys. As usual, I love you guys so much. Nawapena sana, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!